Hello, my crafty friends, and welcome back to my channel and another month of sharing our crafty goals. This will be looking back at July. This started as a collaboration that was put out by Amalia of Cool Cakes and Crafts with Amalia several years ago. Now, I got involved when I saw Beth of Bourbon Creek Crafts, and she inspired me to follow along, and so I joined the collaboration. And now anybody can do that. Just make sure to put your hashtag crafty goals in your description box. So I have my planner and I have my projects, and we will go through them one at a time. And I will be putting a playlist of the process videos. So let's get started with July. July was a weird month, and I'll get into that. But this was job related. And then Saturday was the crafty goals. I forgot to write that down. For June. Okay. Then I did the sheetload of cards. And this is the card I made. It's a flip fold. Alicia of Call Me Crafty Al puts those out, the printables that we can use. So this is made with Sea Maiden from Authentique. And so I did my 10-minute segments. And then around the 8th or 9th, I started feeling a little puny. I did get one card done for my Christmas card collaboration. This isn't it, but I did get one card done. And so I did show that on the 10th. But I thought this was so cute. The little Santa hat. And I used was it Classic Christmas or Vintage Christmas? Something like that. Again, Beth from Bourbon Creek Craft inspired me to use that. And here is, and then let's see, then I did do the embellishments. And these were the little die cuts from the May 2021 Hero Arts kit. And then I made cards with them. So I was able to put up the one card on the 10th and then the embellishments on the 11th. Then after that, I just kind of, I was down for the count. But anyway, these are the cards I made, and I highlighted them on the 24th. So this was the 24th. Let me go back to, this is another example of the Christmas cards I finished up, the other 9. This was something that I had in my stash for quite a while. And then I used the bottom piece of that scrapbook page. Okay, then I made these cards. That's supposed to be a shell, but it didn't turn out very well. And this is a fancy die from the 2017, May 2017 Hero Arts kit. Okay, and then I did the unboxing for Pool Party, and here's a sample of the paper. A couple of samples. Yeah, so use those for my current sheetload of cards. And then I made the monkey birthday card for my little guy. I went ahead and made him another one just like this, and I sent that one. And I added the bananas. I thought that was cute. So there's July. Let's go to August. And I want to continue with my 10-minute segments, creating cards in 10 minutes, using the current sheetload of card sketch. Do my Christmas cards on the 10th, embellishments on the 11th, and then the following Wednesday or Saturday, wherever that falls, I show cards made with those embellishments. And I'm going to try to start doing lives. Now that I have an iPad, I can see everybody's comments. I'm going to try that. And I'm going to continue with my Club EP unboxings and any hauls that I do. So let's get into August. My sheetload of cards, pool party. I'm not quite done with those yet. I have another couple of videos to go. And I'll do the Christmas cards again. Coming up. That's coming up real soon. And then the embellishments on the 11th again. And then I'll make the cards. Right now, I'm going to try to do a live. I've got to get all the mechanics in place, of course. But we'll see how that goes. And not sure what I'm going to do this week in here. School starts for most of us. So that's going to be pretty awesome. And I'm thinking of going ahead and joining in just this time. Just as I can, I think. With the Smash That Small paper pad. And I'm going to be using Farmhouse Christmas this time. I have most of it left. So I thought this would be a good opportunity to do that. And then I'm going to make Get Well cards with my Echo Park set Fall Break. It's a really pretty fall set. So I think that's going to be pretty much August. My biggest goal by far is to build a community with you, my viewers. Those of you who are interested in learning how to make cards, or those of you who are like me and have been doing it for a while and just want to share with each other and inspire each other. It's about community, not just me. Well, my hope is to inspire you to also do crafty goals. I feel that I need to focus on making videos about the cards that I create or the process itself, which is what I want you to see, or I think you want to see. So if you think crafty goals should still be a part of my creative process and would like to see these go on every month, please let me know down in the comments. I really appreciate your support and thank you for watching. Until next time, bye-bye.